Yes. Boom, kita pa sila. Sabi ni Seth dito, look, come here.
Move it a bit lang to the right. Kasi
I don't know.
For our first service, we have Danielle Lansu. Nice serve by Danielle, ball number 20, over number 9. And that's a point for Team Teenager. Score is now 1-0. Now serving person number 9. Nakuha ni Luigi. Sinet ni Art. Over ni Roby. Good pa rin. Sinet ni number 9. Bumakas number 20. Nakuha. Inangat ni Luigi. Uy. Nice hustle, but that is not over. Score is now 2-0. One-year-old sinet ni Art. Ay! Napaakla si Carson. Score is now 3-0. Still serving jersey number 9. Nice serve, nice save. Over. Ay! Hindi na pang-abot. Score is now 4-0. Service error. Score is now 4-1. Now on the service line, Art. Rotation error by Team TNHS. Point goes to the Elite Boys. The score is now 4-2. Service yard. Good serve. Nakuha yung bola. Uy! Miscommunication. Another point for the Elite Boys. The score is now 4-3. Lamang mga isa ang ating team teenagers. Nakuha yung bola sila din number 9. Pumalo sa number 17. Ruben! Pumalo sa number 14. Point for Team Teenagers. The score is now 5-3. Now serving jersey number 14. Nice serve. Nakuha yung bola. Sinet. Inover ni Carson. Tumawag na si Red. Double violation. Score is now 6-3. Nice serve by number 14. Nakuha ni Seth. Sinet ni Art. Inover lang ni Roby. Nakuha ni number 13. Sinet ni number 9. Tinula. Inside. Score is now 7-3. Substitution. Narnia. Nice serve by Roby. Nakuha yung bola. Sineti number 9. Pumalas number 20. Nakuha ni Roby. Over the line. Inside. Score is now 7-5. Service. Service arrow. Score is now 85, still in favor of Team PNHS. Now on the service line, jersey number 14. Good serve, nakuha ni Jose. Sineti ka right. Pumalas si Luigi. Good pa rin. Pumalas number 13. Inside. Score is now 9-5. Still on the service line. Nice serve. Nicely by Sen. Nakuha ang baba ng Sen. Score is now 10-5. Still in favor of Team PNHS. My serve by number 14, and that's a service ace. The score is now 11-5. Substitution. 8 in, 7 out. Service by number 14. Uy, ganda nun. Grabe, ang bilis ng koleksyon. Ayun lang. Net violation. Point goes to Team PNHS. Score is now 12-5. Ang ganda pang lang sana nun. Nice serve. One back. Over the line. Inside. Score is now 12-6. Now serving Carson. Service error. The score is now 13-6, still in favor of Team PNHS. Now serving jersey number 20. Good serve. Nakuha ni Sir Papa. Nakuha ni Sir. Nakuha pa yan. Nice save. Nakuha. Sineti number 9. Point goes to the lead boys. Score is 13-7. Grabe, ang hustle. Now serving jersey number 22, Garay. Nice serve. Nakuha yung bola. Sineti number 9. Pumalas si number 13. So outside. Score is now 13-8. Mukhang humahabol ang ating elite boys. Nalibero daw. Sabi ko, Junel. Ayun. Nandi. Score is now 14-8. Now serving. Jersey number 13. Nice serve. Nakuha ni Bam. Sineti ka right. Tinulak. Tuloy pa rin. Over number 9. Nakuha ni Seth. Sineti ka right. Puha si Luigi. Block by Team PNHS. Score is now 15-8. By serve, nakuha ni Seth. Seth, over. Point for the elite boys. The score is now 15-9. Again, get ready for our next game, girls division. Team Elite Girls versus Team Tackle Youth Council. Now serving Luigi. nakuha yung bola. Sinali number 9 pumalo ang open. Ahoy, damdaman na ni Kaden yun. Pumalo si Bal. Inside. Score is now 15-11. Substitution. Announcement lang po sa mga nag-video po ng ating cellphone. Paki-off lang po yung flash. Thank you po. Nice, sir. Nakuha. Ay! Nasaan yung ulo? Moving ka na. The score is now 15-12. Iba pa yung masiset niya. Sir Pelot, nakuha yung bola. Sinati number 9. Sa kabila, buhay pa rin. Sinati ka rin. Pumalo si Jose. Good pa rin. Sinati Jose. Pumalo si Bob. Boy. Save. Pumalo ang open. Point for Team Teenagers. The score is now 16-12. Now serving, jersey number 5. Service error. Score is now okay. Score is now 16-13. Now on service line, Aldridge. Good serve. Nakuha yung bola. Sinati number 9. Pumalo ang open. Nakuha na look. Good pa rin. Pakuha na. Ay, hindi na. Hindi na kinaya ng powers ni Luke. Score is now 17-13. No, sir. Nakuha yung bag. Sinati ka rin. Inover ni Roy. Nakuha yung bola. Sinati number 9. Good pa rin. Nice save by Teenagers. Score is now 18-13. Serving number 9. Good. Point for Team Teenagers. Score is now 19-13. Warning. Still on the service line. Inside. Last point for Team Teenagers. The score is now 20-13. For the last point. Nice serve. Nakuha ni Bob. Sinati ka rin. Tinulak ni sir. Inside. Score is now 20-14. Mukhang habol pa ang galing boys. Good serve. Nakuha yung bola. Sinati number 9 pumalo. Outside. now yung service line was set. May serve, makuha yung bola. Sinet yung number